That what this team of scientists is doing in here might make a difference in understanding what you feel out here. You know, when someone holds your hand or puts an arm around you. Dr. Jianguo Gu says it's what's called gentle touch.
Like when you hug someone and when you shake hands and when you touch your baby. So that's gentle touch.
Dr. Gu is a pain researcher. His team has just released a new study in the journal Cell. They've been studying cells discovered years ago, which were named after Friedrich Sigmund Merkel, the scientist that found them. They are now called Merkel cells.
He found that those cells are localized, highly concentrated in the fingertips and the lips, and also in animals, it's in their whiskers.
What Dr. Gu's study found, however, about these fingertip or Merkel cells that you use on items such as your cell phone every day is that they are definitely linked to surface pain. Diabetes problems such as neuropathy might lower them. Cancer treatment or women's pain syndrome such as fibromyalgia might heighten them. And this means two things.
So we are able to develop drugs to help, number one, prevent the loss of touch, perhaps, or prevent the hypersensitivity to the touch. And number two, so we are able to treat certain disease involved in abnormal touch, like the hypersensitivity touch, which is a big problem in cancer patients receive chemotherapy.
The idea behind this is that then you could use those medications to target one specific area rather than using current medications which perhaps need to dull or target the whole body and often have side effects. The medications would be based on the idea that when you step on something or feel something and think you hit a nerve, maybe instead you really hit a Merkel cell first. At the University of Cincinnati, Liz Bonis, Local 12 News.
Now, funding for this study was supported by the National Institutes of Health. No word yet on just how soon we might see some medications that work on those Merkel cells.